Dell 6.2 build done. Y'all like that? Welcome back, family. We back. Y'all see what's in the background? Y'all see what's in the background? Yes, sir. So we about to get started on Dell 6.2. That thing 30 boy that. Yes, sir. Let's get to it. A.C.C. Let's go. All right, family. We got this thing all primed up. We got our second coat on there already. We're going to let this dry for a couple more minutes. Then we're going to go on and attack it with this black. We got that block cleaned up. It's all painted. It's ready to go. All our surfaces is clean. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to throw the bag over it for a couple days, let it cure. Then we'll come back and we'll put the rotating assembly in. And we'll go ahead and build it. We're going to go ahead and start taking these caps loose. It's a 13 millimeter bolt on the inside. All right, let's do the outer bolts. And the outer bolts is a 15 millimeter. All right. All right, now that we got those loose, we got to take our side bolts out. And if I remember correctly, I think those are 10 millimeter. All right, we got all those. All right, take our good old rubber mallet and just hit a little bit. Go 2, down, 3, down. 4, and last but not least is 5. There go 5. Wipe the surface clean. I'm gonna come back and hit all this with some acetone. So I'm gonna put my bearings in there so we can check our clearances. All right, we good. All right. Now we got the bearings for this mug. Y'all can see them. These bearings. Let's go down a little bit more. All right, we want to be careful with it. Woo. Fit like a glove, right? Now, check out plastic gauge. Open it. So then what you're gonna do is cut little lengths. Now I already got videos on this, so I'm not gonna go into detail on it. But you just want to cut little lengths like so. Little lengths like so. And stick them on the rod, on the main caps like so. All right, all of them on there where my main cap's gonna go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right. Now all these face back except for the last one. That's 2. That's 4. So we know what's back. Alright, those are in there. Okay. Like this. There's no 5. So 5 goes back towards the front. So there's number 2. And 2 on the right. Alright. And number 1. Right. Alright. Just sit down a little bit. Now. No matter how bad you may want to, do not spin the crank, okay? Now I'm gonna start these by hand, but then I'm gonna run them down with my tool. All right, $15 foot-pounds and then 80 degrees on both. All right, so let me see this. Let's start with our 13 first. All right, let's do it. 15. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Motherfucker. All right, now say second pass, all these go to 80 degrees. All right, so for that one, let me just double check that that's right. But this is on 80 degrees. Yep, main caps on the final pass, 80 degrees. 80 degrees on the inner one, 51 degrees on the outer studs. So 80, then 51. So these go to 80 degrees, right? All right, I got my thing set for 80. We're gonna wait on it. All right, let's do 80 degrees. That's 80 on that one. 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 All right, now, so to the second one, let's go to our second member, and let's change this to 51 degrees for the inner bolts. All right, 51 degrees, there we go. Let's do this one first. That's 51 on that one. That's it. 51 on that one, 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 that's it. Now we'll take this backer loose. Alright, let me use this thing. We gotta take it back loose in the order we put it down, okay? Remember that, take it loose in the order you put it down. I'm just gonna use this to break it loose. So, 1, 2, 3, okay. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, let's take the other one loose. Actually, I'm gonna drill it. It's little 13, yeah. All right, let's go and take these up. All right, let's do this other one. All right, let's start in the same thing. Start in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Now we'll take these. Let's start with the first cap. Then we'll check it. All right, now, what we're looking for is that right there, y'all. All right, let me see, can I show y'all this? Hold on, I'm coming over there to y'all. All right, there go the bearing, right? Then what we're gonna do is, see, just check it against it. See how wide this line is on the plastic gauge? We're just making sure it's within clearance. All right, you got all these clearances. We just make sure it's within them. All right? And then you wanna do that for the spec for whatever your clearance is supposed to be for your bearings, your main cap. We checked all the clearances. Everything looked good within spec. So we're gonna pull this back up out of here straight up. Wanna go straight up with it. Take this Lucas. I mean, not Lucas, but this Ultra Slick. Y'all know. Put it in there. Alright. Now, I'm gonna take my finger, making sure there ain't no dirt or nothing on it. Alright. Now you just wanna lube these bearings good. Try not to get it on top of the bearing. Where the bearings meet up at, we don't want oil in between them. Or lube. Let me show y'all that. Y'all see that? Real lubed up, right? So we got it lined up right. Being very gentle with it. I just want to set it straight down. Boom. Set it straight down like that. All right, I'm gonna get my middle cap first. Make sure it's very clean in there. And y'all see what I'm doing. I'm gonna take this. I'm running that shit on that bearing real good. And we know they all face towards the back of the engine, except the front one. All right, so I'm just gonna take this like so. That's the number 3 one. I'm just gonna set that motherfucker back in. I'm just gonna set that mud back down in there like so. Boom. That's number 2 right here, right? Yep. Number 2 is right here. And remember, they all face the back, except the last one. All right. So we're gonna put number 1 on like that. Lock that now. There we go. There we go. That's number 4. Drop number 4 in there where it go. Now remember, number 5 gonna face inward. Number 5 always a little harder to get down. So I'm just gonna help it along a little bit. There we go. There we go. Help it along a little bit. All right. And now, what we're gonna do is tighten up all our bolts again, starting with the inner ones. So I'm hand tight. Give start hand tight. Alright, how we gonna do, y'all? Take some black RTV, just put it around the head of these bolts. Like so. Try to take some, just drop it around the head of the bolts like so. That's all we're gonna do. Alright. Take some RTV, put it around the head of the bolt, then stick that motherfucker back in there. Then we'll go back and tighten it down. 16, 17, 18, right there. Alright, these gonna go to 18 foot-pound. Alright. That should be it, y'all. Let's see what you spin like. Oh, it's been pretty easy. It don't feel like you're buying them now. All right, y'all. We're gonna leave it there for now. Let's get ready to go put the pistons and stuff in.